So today I'm about to show you how to use Claude to run your store in Shopify. First, install the official Claude desktop app on your computer, navigate to your profile settings, click Connectors, and Shopify. Log into your store, set your permission level to ask before actions, so you maintain full control over live store data. With the connector active, you can now operate your store using plain English. Simply open a chat window and type your operational command like check for any unfulfilled orders from today, draft their shipping labels, and flag any transactions that look like fraud threats. Claude will instantly scan your back office database and execute those tasks simultaneously. Pro tip, use Claude as an on-demand business manager to dynamically update your inventory based on real-world trends. And that's it. That's how to use Claude to run your store in Shopify. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.